One of the really frustrating things over the last couple of versions of JCE and Joomla has been the inability to insert code in the WYSIWYG editor mode. By that I mean when your WYSIWYG editor is turned on and you insert some PHP or JavaScript, the editor would strip it out, and therefore you'd have to click the Show Hide button in order to insert code. Well, the problem was, if you had your editor on, the next time you went into that article, it again stripped out the code. One of the great advances in the new JCE and Joomla 1.6 is the ability to insert JavaScript and PHP in the WYSIWYG editor. Now, this is not for your beginner users or your beginner editors, and I need to issue a strong warning here. Allowing users to insert JavaScript and PHP could present a grave security risk to your site. So you want to make sure you enable this only for your most trusted and knowledgeable users. With that said, let me show you how to do it. Under Components, JCE Administration, Global Configuration, we can set up profiles that have certain levels of ability. Now, because this is a local machine, I'm just going to use the default one. But I'd again strongly encourage you to make different profiles for different levels of your users. In the parameters, under Options, we have the option to turn JavaScript on, PHP on, iframes on, and applets on. If we allow JavaScript and PHP, we'll be able to insert those in the WYSIWYG editor view right inside our content. Notice for PHP, we need another plugin to make this work. Fortunately, in Joomla 1.6, such a plugin exists. Let's take a look and see how this works. I click Save. Again, remember, in their Options, under Text Filters, for super users, I have no filtering, and so this will work. If it was set back to blacklist, this would not work at all. So, in my WYSIWYG editor, I've entered a pretty simple PHP statement. PHP code, echo, hi there, semicolon, close out the PHP. When I come over to my front page, the word hi there is now echoed by the PHP. If you know PHP, you know that that would echo today's date, 2011, the month and the day. I can even call out to different areas of the database, different user information, and put it out in an article. Now, I'm not going to go into this too deeply because, again, you want to be very careful how you use PHP in your articles. But it's fantastic that it's now available. If I click Save, come over and hit Refresh, you'll see that today is May the 26th, 2011. And indeed, it is.